Hey guys, it's me again. Welcome to another edition of Mo Dodge, Mo Mods, where I explain very inexpensive mods that you can do to your car. Today, we're going to talk about the interior. Well, as you know, most Dodges really come with a basic interior, pretty much plain for the most part. And what I have today is two mods, very simple mods, got it real cheap on eBay. One is going to be the paneling that I'm going to do, and I'll show that to you shortly. The next mod is just going to be the stereo knobs on your car, and I'll show the interior for the most part. And don't forget, comment, like, subscribe if you can, as I bring more content to you. Mo Mods, Mo Dodge, or Mo Dodge, Mo Mods, however you like it. Well, today we are unwrapping this quick mod. It's for pretty much your panel, mud guard for your Dodge Charger. I just unwrapped these, fairly inexpensive, about 10 bucks I got on eBay. And the idea is to place these mud guards on the outside of my car. I think it's pretty neat, you know, and that's what I'm going to do. It shouldn't take that long to install. Pretty much what I'm doing is just going to clean the panel with soap and water, peel the back off, and just tape it on. Line it up. Let's see, should be centered. Might be a good idea to be centered. Well, I'll just line it up right there. So these mud panels, a nice little look for the car, the interior. It's a little dirty for the most part, but I plan on installing these mud panels throughout the car. I also have, let's see what we got unraveling here. Let's see. This also came, we're going to be installing. Let's see. All right. Let's go ahead and get her started. Let's see. I've already cleaned the panel. I'm just lining it up right here, so keep it all uniform once I go all the way around the car. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah. I think that'll work. Let's go around the other side. Wait a minute, it's a little off. Gosh darn it. Look. No, yeah, there we go. Bring it out. Yes. So, there we go. Looks good. All right, let's do. Oh, wrong one. Gotta be careful. That is the wrong one. And fiddlesticks on me. Well, finally got the right one in. which makes more better sense. A little longer. I think that'll work. Let's check the other ones around, all the way around. All right, I'll get back to you. Let you know how it goes. That's just to give you an idea what the rear looks like. And as you can see, I've already got scuff marks on the paint job here. We don't like that, so that's what my kid's baby car seat is. Many parents out there are really not paying attention could easily scuff that paint job sitting in the vehicle. So we don't like that, and we're going to add this aesthetic to the car. One, to protect it, and hey, why not make it look good in the process? Let's line that up. Right up there. That's a little off. Luckily, these things. There we go. Yeah, still looks still off. There we go. All right, passenger side. Up. All right, let's take a good scan of what they look like once this installed. Cheap mod, 10 to 12 bucks. You can get it on eBay or Amazon. I think I like it. So as you can see here, I got it lined up. It matches my little aesthetics here as far as the rubber that goes in the car. The interior. Next we're going to work on the lights. Kind of brings it out not too much. That is the rear, same thing. I think I did an alright job. It's in there. And the door, driver's side door. Pretty neat. Like I said, it needs to be vacuumed for the most part. Just to give you a quick scan in the interior modifications. Very cheap mod. Kind of make it stand out for the most part. Hey guys, you know how my saying goes. More Dodge, more mods. Or more mods, more Dodge. However you like it.